Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Study Electronics. This is part 2 of objective questions in digital electronics. So now we are going to discuss different objective questions in digital electronics part 2. First question, the number of input combination will equal dash for an n input truth table. So the input combination is equal to 2 raised to n for an n input truth table. Next, the dash operation result will be 1 if any one or more variables is a 1. So answer is OR, that is 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. A circuit that operates in such a way that its output is high when all its input are high is AND, that is 1 1. When we give input as 1 1, output is 1. Okay. Next question, what is the only input combination that will produce a high at the output of a 5 input AND gate? So in AND gate, if we get a high output, then the answer is all input should be high. So we know that in AND state 1 1 is 1. Okay, so the inputs are high, the output is also high. Okay. Next, the output of an inverter is connected to the input of a second inverter. Determine the output level of the second inverter. So the output level is same as that of the input level. So in an inverter, the output is the same as that of an input level. Okay. So given there is giving a logic equation, that is A dash BC into A plus D the whole complement. Determine the output of the circuit X if A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 1 and D is equal to 0. So we can put the values, that is 0 here. That is 0 complement is 1 and BC is 1. So these are all 1 1 1. And A plus D complement, A is 0 and D is 0. That is 0 complement is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. We get answer as 1. Next question, with OR operation 1 plus 1 is also 1. Okay, next, use the expression for S is equal to D plus A plus B into C the whole complement into E to determine the output of the circuit for the condition A equal to B equal to E equal to 1 and C equal to D equal to 0. So we can give the values, that is D 0 here and A plus B, that is A plus B is 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 1 into C. C is 0. So 0 complement is 1. So 1 into E, that is E is equal to 1. Okay, so we can put the values, that is the values here, and we can take the complement. Okay, so the answer is 1. Next, the Boolean expression for a 6 input OR gate is, for a 6 input OR gate, the answer is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. Okay. Next, what type of gate is equivalent to a NAND gate followed by an inverter? So in a NAND gate, it's an opposite of an AND. Okay. So if a NAND gate followed by an inverter, we get AND gate. Okay. Next, simplify the expression y equal to A B bar D plus A B bar D bar. So we can take A B bar as common. A B bar into D plus D bar. So D plus D bar is 1. We get answer as A B bar. Next, how many different ways can we implement the inversion operation in a logic circuit? That is 3. In 3 different way we can implement inverse operation in a logic circuit. Next, in Boolean algebra, B into B bar. B into B bar. Okay. B as 1 and B bar as 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 is the answer. Next question. 2's complement of a binary number 0101 is, so for taking 2's complement we have to take 1's complement, that is 1's complement is the opposite of this number, that is 0101 is 1010, and by adding a 1 we get 2's complement, so the answer is 1011. Next question, an OR gate has 4 input, one input is high and other 3's are low, the output is also high. Okay. Next question, decimal number 10 is equal to binary number 10 is equal to binary number 1010. Okay. Next, the resolution of an n-bit DAC with a maximum input of 5 volt is 5 millivolt, the value of n. So we need to find the value of n, number of bits. This is the formula. Output voltage equal to V by 2 raised to n minus 1. Output voltage is 5 millivolt and V is 5 volt. Okay. So when we put the values, we will get n is equal to 10. Next question, a device which converts BCD to 7 segment is called. So the device which convert BCD to 7 segment is decoder. Next question, a decade counter skips. A decade counter skips binary state 1010 to 1111. So we know that a decade counter will count 0 to 9. Okay, after the 9 that is 10 to 15, that is 1010 to 1111, it will skip the state. Next question, BCD input 1000 is fed to a 7 segment display through a BCD to 7 segment decoder or driver. The segments will light up. So we are giving an input of 1000. So 1000 equal to decimal 8. Okay. So all segments will light. Okay. And this is the image of an BCD 7 segment display. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So when we give 1000 as an input, so the value is 8. So all light will flash. Okay. And next question, a ring counter with 5 flip-flops will have 5 state. So these are all about this part 2. So please do share and subscribe this video. Thank you.